alone in a room. It's just me and you. I feel so lost, 'cause I don't know what to do. Now what if I choose the wrong thing to do? I'm so afraid of disappointing you, so I need to talk to you and ask you for your guidance, especially today when my life is so cloudy. Guide me until I'm sure I open up my heart. Oh yeah. My hopes and dreams are fading fast. I'm all burned out, and I don't think my strength's gonna last. So I'm crying out to you. Oh, I know you're the only one who is able to pull me through. So I know I need to talk to you and ask you for your guidance, especially today when my world seems just a little bit cloudy. Lord, you can guide me through. That's why I open up my heart, my heart, my heart, my heart. Oh, all I need to just hear a single word from you. Oh, I open up my to you. You're the lover of my soul, the captain of my sea. I need a word from you. That's why I